still relying on Spider-Man for rice cleaning, it's time to level up. The MyUAV M400X uses dual-tethered technologies to work non-stop for 8 hours at high altitudes. Our dual-tethered system solves this toughest problem: synchronizing transmission of the power and water. The power tether system provides 3,520 watt continuous power for the flight time, while the water tether system delivers 115 bar high-pressure water for the process cleaning. Together, they transmit over 8 meters of aviation-grade tether. Traditional drones face two major problems: short flight times and low water pressure, leaving your cleaning job unfinished. But with the M400X, at a set 8-meter height, it delivers 116 bar of stable water pressure, 5 times the cleaning efficiency of ordinary drones. The M400X is built with a 315 grams spring gun, made from aviation-grade aluminum magnesium alloy, incredibly lightweight yet durable. Plus, it's equipped with 60 layers of electric protection, ensuring safety on every flight, with a failure rate under 1% after 100 flights. This drone meets engineering-grade standards. While others are still calculating the equipment costs, our users are already saving on scaffolding fees, enough to cover the entire equipment investment with each project. With our smart tether base station and Bluetooth detection, the high-altitude work becomes fully digitally managed. This means predictable, measurable cleaning efficiency with real-time monitoring for peace of mind.